It's more than a boat club, it's freedom. Welcome to Freedom Boat Club of Wilmington. This channel is about boating right here on the Intercoastal, the Cape Fear River, and local waters we all love to explore. Whether you're brand new to boating or you've been doing this for years, our goal is simple: help you spend more time on the water and less time worrying about everything else. We'll take you along as we show off our fleet, share local boating tips, highlight member stories, and give you a real look at what life is like as part of the Freedom community in Wilmington. Around here, boating isn't about ownership. It's about the experience. It's the water beneath you, good people beside you, and the freedom to head out when the moment feels right. We take care of the boats, the prep, and the details, so you can focus on enjoying the day. This channel is your inside look at boating in Wilmington, from everyday dock moments to unforgettable days on the water. No maintenance, no storage, no stress. Just boating made simple.